Hi, my name is Patty. I'm with It's Natural. This is just a disclaimer. This information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a licensed medical professional. The content provided is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Always consult a licensed dermatologist, healthcare provider, or qualified medical professional before making any changes to your skincare routine or health regimen, especially if you have sensitive skin, allergies, or underlying health conditions. Everyone's skin and body is unique. What works for you may not work for another person. Please do your own research and patch test products before full use. Now let's get to this video, shall we? Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to It's Natural. I'm Patty. And this is day 5. We're on day 5 of our 90-day clean beauty journey. Today we're answering a super common skincare question that sounds complicated, but it really isn't. Let's talk about comedogenic, meaning what it is, what does it mean for your skin, and why it could be the reason why you're still breaking out. So what does comedogenic mean? It comes from the words come and dones. That's a fancy word for clogged pores. Isn't such a fancy word, right? Like blackheads and whiteheads. If something is comedogenic, it means that it can clog your pores. If it's non-comedogenic, it's less likely to clog your pores. For example, coconut oil is high comedogenic, which means it would clog your pores, versus jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, which means it's less likely to clog your pores. So why does this matter? Well, some ingredients might seem natural or moisturizing, but in actuality, they're comedogenic. They can trap oil and bacteria in your pores. This leads to acne, whitehead, blackheads, and inflammation, especially if you have oily or acne prone skin. Even clean beauty products can be comedogenic, so you still need to check. The comedogenic scale is this. Ingredients are rated on a scale from 0 to 5. 0, it won't clog your pores, and 5 is very likely to clog your pores. Now, everyone's skin is different, right? Your skin is different from your mother's or your father's or your sister's or your brother's or even your friends. So, someone with dry skin might tolerate a 3 on the scale, but oil skin types may break out instantly. Fun fact, cocoa butter scores a 4, while hemp seed oil scores a 0 to a 1. Common high comedogenic ingredients to watch for. Okay, so these are high comedogenic ingredients. That means that it's likely for your skin to be clogged. Your pores will be clogged. Okay, so we've got coconut oil, wheat germ oil, cocoa butter, algae extract. And then what's better for most skin types that are less likely to clog your pores or non-comedogenic is argan oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, squalene, rosehip oil. Now, how do you choose non-comedogenic products? How do you do that? Look for products labels that say non comedogenic. Do a quick Google search to find oils or butters in that ingredient list. Or you can head to our website as well. Do a patch test. New products. It's very important that you do patch tests because you don't know if your skin's going to react differently. My skin is very sensitive, and so I know for a fact that I might have to do a patch test to make sure that nothing will bother or irritate my skin. Naturally doesn't mean always that it's non-comedogenic, just like coconut oil. Coconut oil is large molecules. It's a large molecule oil. And what happens when you have large molecule oils? It sits on your skin and then it can't be absorbed into your skin. So it just sits there. And that's why it's high comedogenic, because it does clog your pores. But for instance, me, if I put coconut oil on my face, it doesn't clog my pores. So everybody's different. It's all about balance and knowing your skin. Now that you know the real meaning of comedogenic, I want to say it so fast, but it's comedogenic, and how it affects your skin, is have you checked your labels lately? Check your labels, look at your moisturizing and oils, and drop the name of your moisturizing and oils in the comments, and I'll let you know where it lands on the comedogenic scale. How about that? And don't miss tomorrow's video. This one's a little bit short video today. We're diving into how to build skincare routine, and that's actually natural and effective. Until then, stay radiant, read your labels, and remember, it's not just skincare, it's natural. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And don't forget to check the description down below, because there's a special gift for you. A ebook download called Naturally You, a beginner's guide to living an all-natural lifestyle, just for you. So make sure you get your copy down below. See you next time.